Over the past few years, Aurobindo invested in substantial investment in injectables, biosimilars, peptides, hormones, and some complex molecules. These are all required lot of money to invest on this product. So where we required is the strong ecosystem. Without that, I don't think we can achieve the results. Telangana provides exactly that. If you take three areas of importance for this ecosystem, is one of that is that infrastructure. The infrastructure is exceptional in Telangana. Genome Valley, Medical Device Park, existing mega parks, future more number of industrial parks like Genome Valley will give entire value chain from discovery to process development, process optimization, commercial, and then in the large scale way it can help. These are all can happen only when there is a good environment in the ecosystem, especially like the utilities, especially what you can call it as power. Quality power must be there for the industry, and the land availability, and then skilled manpower. All these things, it will help to industry to go for this type of development. The second important concern is the talent pool. Talent pool in Telangana is unmatchable in India. The institutes like drills, CCMB, IACT, 𝗫𝗏, and there are pharmacy colleges, biotech schools. These are all continuously generating lot of professionals in the line of this regulatory, this analytical experts, then microbiologists. This is that what these institutes are doing to help this ecosystem make sure that we are all successful. The third point is government partnership. It has been a real differentiate. This environment approvals, the product approvals, these are all will go for that quickly can scale up and go into the commercial. These are also help. These are the three areas where I feel there is a lot of the dependency on this particular Telangana on this subject.